Okay, we're going to be locating a stud behind the sheetrock. But we're going to drill holes just right above the baseboard. This screw is not where the stud is, and I'll show you. So we want to stay right on top of the baseboard, because after we find it, we're going to mark it, and then we can get a caulking gun and run right over the top of that, cover up all our holes. There's the edge. There's the other edge. So there's our stud. Okay, well, any time that you're looking for a place to drill a hole, you've got to have a level, because you need to come from the center of your stud the other thing you can do when you have your mark set, get you some masking tape. The yellow one's pretty good for this. Now this is if you're on a painted wall. And then you got your mark on the tape, so that when you get ready, after you drilled your holes, just take the tape and just pull it off. That way your paint job's still in good shape. Don't leave this on there too long overnight, because it will stick and pull. It will pull paint off the wall if you leave it in overnight.